Well, good morning, people. Let's see, it's August 12th, 2019. I'm looking east along the approach road from the Long Beach Peninsula at Bay Avenue and turning west, looking out to sea. So it's about 6:45 in the morning. And I'm going to try and splice these together as I walk along. Let's see what happens. Now I'm about halfway to the water. I'll pan to the south a little bit, and then I'll pan to the north, so you can see what a beautiful day it is out here. It's just very overcast. I'm now down to the tide line, the latest tide line. We're looking at a lot of remains of seagrass and crabs that have molted. These have all successfully molted. Okay. Nope, that one didn't. Most of these did. Most of these are just hollow shells. That one molted. Check it again. Okay, that's a molted crab. Then out on the beach, for example, over here. I'm sorry, over here. Over here is a dead crab. He didn't make it through the molt. Notice that the seas are extremely flat today. Boy, I have really hit low tide today. It's now about 7 o'clock. I'm just about down to the water's edge. What can I say? It's just friggin' gorgeous down here. Except for the dead crabs that I passed, which are starting to smell pretty bad. Look at how calm this ocean is, people. This is unreal. August 12th. Let's keep moving. I'm still way down the beach from yesterday where I filmed that crab die-off, but I just wanted you to know it's not just in one spot. I just showed you a crab that didn't make it. I'll walk up to this pile right here, or this accumulation of shells, and you'll see in the foreground there an empty shell and some others over there. We had some successful molts, but then over here, this crab didn't make it. And right over here, there's another crab that didn't make it. Up here, here's a molted shell. And over here, another crab that looks like he made it. About halfway in my regular walk down the beach going north. So I'm panning the sky, and as you can see, it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I can see way off in the distance, and I can see no kinds of jet trails of any kind down here on the Pacific coast today. As I continued down the beach and I continued along the tide line, I continued to see a lot of dead crab, and most of them, from what I can see, did not make it through the molting process. So if you call the Fish and Game department, they'll tell you, yes, there's crabs dying because of the molting process. It's stressful. So the next question is, why are they dying during the molting process? What's making it so stressful? They have to molt 6 times in the first 2 years and then 1 time each year after that, something like that. maybe even more often. Well, here I am at the top of my walk, about as far north as I go. I'm gonna just pan north for a second and tell you thanks again for watching. I'm gonna try and splice a bunch of these together and see what happens. Until then, adieu.